All right, morning time. Leveling blocks have sunk into the ground. I thought it felt a little weird after the first night. Louis wasted water. He has not had that much water. I don't know why. It's a little concerning. Super weird dreams. Again. Don't know. Anyway, look how dirty the top roof is because I can't reach it. Alright, well, I'm just checking to make sure the vents are closed, the windows are closed. I turned the water off, the house battery is off. Propane is on. Let's see how much we used on this, on this 4-day adventure. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still quite full. Louis, come on, let's go for a walk. Louis, come. Okay, this is gonna turn pretty ugly. All right, well, I was right. That was a total disaster. I wonder which way I should try to get out of here. Probably more over that way. Yeah. Got a tree branch, but that's better than getting stuck. Look, it never fails. Old Philip once again finds himself in traffic, just completely stopped on a main highway. Here it is, placing pavement markers. We got people starting to turn around now, which is not a good sign. Here it is. It's just a truck with a blinky light. Hey, there's everybody. I have not filmed a whole lot yesterday and today, or actually since I got back from the camp spot I was at for a few days. Just a lot of odds and ends to sort out. I'm doing one of those right now, going to get more supplies. So today's Thursday. I'm gonna try to find something or somewhere to go. I don't know if it's gonna be Saturday or Sunday. Yeah, it might be Sunday again, but we'll see. I got to do some research what spot I want to go to. I do have an opportunity to go to a cabin in a few days, but it's a spot that I've been a million times. All right, well, picked up my groceries. Picking up groceries instead of having them delivered, just because I wanted to get out. But it did make me notice these trucks over here, and man, all the little truck stops that I've stopped at, all the Walmarts that I stopped at where I would sleep. What is this car doing? That I would sleep under. And look, there's a sign right there. It says heavy duty impound fees. Right there. It's so funny. Because a lot of the places that had those signs, no issue whatsoever. But some of the signs that didn't, you would get a knock. And I have a ton of footage of that. What a weird time in my life. I mean, and now it's weird. Sometimes you don't, it doesn't really come into focus on what exactly it is until later. Anyway, so I got the groceries, so that's good. There's a Goodwill up here on the left, even though, oof, that's not looking good. I did just want to run into the Goodwill just to check it out. You never know what you're gonna find there. Alright. I just remembered taking out the sunglasses reminded me of that time in Marietta when I just moved there and all of a sudden a storm blew in and the sky turned black and then rain came down and I was happy. It was beautiful. I was sad all at the same time. I was in this new place at a new point in my life. It was exciting and scary and terrifying and melancholy. And the rain somehow helped. So that's what this just reminded me of. I think it was more the polarization on the lenses of the sunglasses. But memories like that are fun to have, and they make you think a little bit in a helpful way, hopefully. For now, I'm going to go in this Goodwill. Go dogs. It's this cool drill, but only sells for like 14 bucks, and they want like 6 for it. So did find a Bluetooth speaker. It's supposed to be waterproof, so this might be a good find. We're gonna buy it and test it out and see what else. Mission successful. You know, I was gonna get a Bluetooth. Do I have a sign on me that says "Please follow me" in this empty parking lot? At least feels pretty solid, and it's supposed to be waterproof, and it was only $5. So if it works, that's the thing, right? Then I can use this for a bunch of, and it's small. I don't like the cylinder ones. Everybody likes the cylinder ones. I don't. That drill was really cool. It was like a hammer drill. I just wish they were selling for more, you know? Maybe I'll do some more research. I knew that turn was going to be tough. And I hate this. I used to live off of this road. I hate this road because people, I think it's the narrow, the sidewalk being so close, it being a very busy area, but people just drive like donkey do. All right, where is it that I used to live? Is it there? On the right? Of course, Dark Horse? No, that's a tattoo. The Point? I think that's it. I think both of those places. I think. Oh, and they added a bus stop because I used to have to walk past all of this and go to the bus stop way down here. That's the memory lane. And now down here, coming up, where we're going to turn right, is where we went and, yes, you and I together, we went and dumped the poo-poo in the pee-pee. Bluetooth speaker. Does work. Again, got it for $5. It's $50 new, I guess. You can find them used for obviously less than that, but definitely more than $5, and it's perfect. Water resistant. It gets plenty loud for me. That was good luck on this. The only thing I'm getting done is thinking more about everything right now. And that doesn't actually do anything. It just adds to the list. So, to tomorrow.